Hello, I have a 66-67 Nova Chevy 2 radio. It has an AM/FM stereo module installed in it. It's on FM right now.
In downtown Flushing has a great...
All of those levels, one of who's a victim.
Okay, to operate front rear fader, you would move the pointer to the left side of the dial, and this becomes a front rear fader. If you move the pointer all the way to the right, it becomes the tone control becomes a balance control. I think I can demonstrate it. Excuse me. You wait for it to kick in. Okay. Yeah, one speaker, the other speaker. To return it to normal operation. Yeah, now it's a tone control. To switch it to AM or AM to FM, vice versa, you cycle the power switch. It's now on AM.
This is revenge. You do want to...
Okay, thanks for looking.